Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shiny Days. I am Sahej and this is a really long time I didn't make any video. I was posting some shorts and reels but I didn't post a long makeup tutorial. But in this video I'm going to share with you some new makeup trends of 2025. Like what are the changes I adapt in my daily routine and my makeup. And make sure to watch this video till the end and also follow me on my Instagram handle to see what I do in my daily routine. So, if you guys are interested, then let's just begin. Okay, so before makeup, it's very important to prep your skin. So, for that, I don't use multi products. Today, I am using this Beauty Bar Liquid Gold Nourishing Beauty Oil. It's so good. I absolutely loved it. Like, it works as a primer, as a toner, as a moisturizer, and also as a makeup base. This is a really good beauty oil. So I'm gonna be starting, and if you guys want to see full review of any of these products, then you can check my Instagram handle or YouTube shorts. So before using it, make sure to mix it well. I take a very tiny amount, like a 2 to 3 little drops on my face. Your face gets instant glow after using this beauty oil, and you can get this from Beauty Bar. This is not at all sponsored video, but this beauty oil is my absolute favorite. And I'm not using any primer because this liquid gold also works as a primer. Let's move to the brows. I found a new product in my vanity. This is the Parul Garg brow kit. इसमें आपको एक गोल और एक brow powder मिलता है, which is very good. And also you get a brow brush, which is very handy. It's very long lasting. It will suit every Indian skin tone. So let's just quickly do the brows. And I don't fill my brows from inwards because I have growth hair, but I don't have hair at the outer part. So I'm just filling my outer corners. And gives you very natural brow shape, which I love the most. And make sure to comb your brows after filling so that you don't get that harsh lines and it's nice and blended. Now you can do your eye makeup first, but I like to do my base makeup. My face oil is totally absorbed into my skin. Now I'm moving to the concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro HD Conceal, and I'm in the shade Pure Beige, which is little dark from my skin. It does cover all my pigmentation, my darkness, acne spots. And if you are looking for the natural makeup, then make sure to use dark color concealer and not orange correctors because that will definitely peek through and won't look nice on your face. Let's take my concealer brush. This is the brush which I use to blend my concealer. This is from Bella Vita and it works very good. For light concealer, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. And all these products which I'm using in this video are my absolute favorite. I love them. I will just highlight my face a little bit. Then applying the concealer on the points where I need a little bit of coverage. I'm blending it with the same concealer brush. And honestly, मुझे ये brush बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Like मैं इसके बिना तो कहीं भी नहीं जाती हूँ. It blends my concealer, my blush, my contour, everything with just one brush. Also, if you want more coverage, then you can use foundation, but I'm skipping the foundation because in summers I don't like to use foundations as much. And I just run this brush all over my face just to add very light coverage, and I'm not taking extra product. Whatever is on my brush, I'm just running it here and there. Coming to the contour, I have this Tipsy Beauty Silk Cushion Contour. Oops, which look like this, and it's really amazing. Absolutely love it. Can you guys see the product coming out? It's just super pigmented, and you just need 3 to 4 dots to cover whole your face, and you don't need any other bronzers and contour. It's looking dark right now, but when it's nice and blended, it will look definitely like my skin. And I'm just blending this contour out. I really like dark bronzy contour in summers because that makes me look very sculpted and very glowy and very tanned kind of, जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. For the blush, I have this blush. This is from Color Queen. It's a dupe of Glam blush, but it works really good. The shade is Apple Cheek 05, which is my favorite. This is a really nice peachy kind of shade, जो कि summers के लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And on my nose to give that sun-kissed look and my chin. And if you guys are thinking that I'm using the same brush, no, I use this side for my contour and this side for my blush. Now time to powder my face. For powder, I have this MAC Studio Fix and setting the areas where I have applied the concealer so that it won't crease, and also this powder gives me the full coverage. It's so good, guys. And taking a good shower with this Perenne setting spray. For eye makeup, I'm using this palette. This is the Malio Retro Glam. This is how it looks. So firstly, I'm taking the shuffle shade and I'm applying this all over my eyelid and blending it out. This is a really nice summery corally shade. With a black shade, I'm intensifying my lash line and then taking a keen shade and highlighting my inner corner with brown shade on my lower lash. Then applied pink kohl on my waterline and finishing off with the mascara. This is from Recode, which gives you a really nice length and volume at the same time. After that, just curling my lashes to finishing off my eye makeup. Now coming to the lips. Taking a nude lip pencil and lining my lips, also covering it from inside. Taking a dark berry lipstick and applying this into the inner corners of my lips to give that pouty lips. And then I'm taking this lip gloss. This is from Color Queen and applying this onto my lips, which I absolutely love. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.